Welcome to JMH Tech. To change the monitor brightness of your screen, you will have to first go to menu, and once you've clicked on that, you will have to go to this tool button. So on the third one, and this is called the setup menu. And then the third one, it is written monitor brightness, and when you click on it, you are given the options to change your brightness. And now here, when there are on the top button, when you click on it, the brightness increases, and on the down button, when you click on it, the monitor brightness decreases. So now when you try it, when I click on the bottom button, the brightness decreases. This is the maximum, and when I click on the top button, it increases. So I think I will remain on -2, and to save that, just click on OK, and it has been changed.